Have you been searching for the perfect SUV with safety and space for the whole family without breaking the bank? Then take a look at this 2017 Land Rover Discovery in Farallon Black. With HID headlamps, blind spot monitoring, 20-inch aluminum wheels, a roof rack, LED tail lamps, heated front seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, only 15,000 miles on the odometer, a touchscreen display with navigation, a rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, select terrain system, power folding second row seats, power folding third row seats, power sunroof, power liftgate, all powered by a 3-liter supercharged V6 engine and so much more. For additional details or to schedule a test drive, visit us at marinocjd.com. Stock number 5174A.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.